In this video, I'll guide you through how to target plumbers with Facebook ads. If your business offers products, services, or marketing solutions specifically for plumbing companies, creating a targeted audience can help your ads reach the professionals who are most likely to be interested. Rather than advertising to a broad audience, Facebook Ads Manager allows you to build a saved audience that you can reuse across multiple campaigns. Start by opening Facebook Ads Manager and navigating to the main dashboard. On the left-hand side, select the Audiences section, then choose the option to Create Saved Audience. This is where you'll build an audience focused on plumbing professionals. Begin by giving your audience a descriptive name so it's easy to recognize later. Next, select the geographic location you want to target. For example, if your offer is only available to plumbing businesses in a particular state, choose that state as your location. Keeping your audience limited to the areas you actually serve helps improve the relevance of your campaigns. As you continue through the audience settings, you'll notice Facebook encourages the use of automated targeting through Advantage Plus features. Facebook has been placing more emphasis on AI-powered audience expansion, so manual targeting options are becoming more limited over time. If you prefer to define your own audience, switch to the Advantage Plus audience view and then return to the original audience options. This brings back the detailed targeting section where you can manually enter your targeting criteria. In the detailed targeting area, begin adding keywords and professional categories related to plumbing. Examples include plumber, plumbing contractor, master plumber, plumber apprentice, plumbing company, residential plumbing, plumbing and gas fitting, pipe fitter, steam fitter, sewer repair, bathroom remodeling, plumbing, HVAC, and other related occupations or interests. Continue adding relevant categories until your audience becomes large enough for an effective campaign. As you build your audience, periodically check the estimated audience size displayed by Facebook. If it's too small, simply continue adding additional plumbing-related interests and job titles. Once you've expanded the audience to a size that fits your advertising goals while still remaining focused on plumbing professionals, you're ready for the next step. Click Create Saved Audience to save your work. From that point on, whenever you create a new Facebook advertising campaign, you can simply select this saved audience instead of rebuilding it from scratch. Finally, remember that Facebook's AI continues to play a bigger role in ad delivery. Even when using manual targeting, make sure your headlines, images, videos, and ad copy clearly speak to plumbers and plumbing businesses. Strong, relevant messaging helps Facebook better understand who your ideal audience is and can improve the overall performance of your campaigns.